What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. In today's video I want to share a beautiful playbook setup that I'm trading. Everybody knows I do trade the break and retest strategies, so it's nothing too crazy strategy. I try to simplify my strategies, so that's what we're gonna go into. So who don't know me, my name is Nick. I'm a forex trader, and in today's video I wanna show you guys my simple strategy, my simple break and retest strategy, so everybody can use it and try it for yourself. So it's very simple concept, guys. In the Asia session, the price action just literally consolidated, how you can see right now here, yeah, and here is literally 9:55, which is at 10 a.m. my time, is 8 a.m. London. Look at this beautiful range, yeah. This is the Asia range, yeah. So look at the beautiful London session. What happened? The London session just opened, yeah, and just literally took this price action, liquidated all the liquidity beneath, yeah, and aggressively push to the upside, small pullback, and smash it to the Asia highs also. So what my plan for is to take buys for the London session, yeah. So that's what actually happened. It was very simple. It was a just break and retest strategy, guys. It's very simple. I'm gonna throw here a line so everybody can see it's been faked. Let me just put here an arrow. So it's very simple concept. I was expecting just the price action to come back, to hit this price action, just to move up, yeah. That was my simple trading idea for today for the London session. I'm using the 100 and 200 EMAs, so everything was underneath. These kind of technicals, like from the trading view, everybody does have that. Who don't know, you just have to grab it from this and just drag it up, and you will see here something like performance and stuff like that. And here it says like the pressure of the price action, like from the indicators, from the price action, and some sort of stuff. I don't know how this works, but it just showed me like the buy pressure. So my initial bias, it was to the upside. They took this previous day high. So first indication, they took the previous day high, which I'm looking for potential buys. The second, the EMAs are below. Very simple concept. The third thing, the price action went down and faked below, yeah. But I just want to make it clear, you can consider this one is a fake out once it breaks the structure to the upside, yeah. Until it doesn't break the structure from the upside, you can count this as a liquidity grab or fake out, whatever you want to call it. The fourth thing is that we do have this like from the higher time frame, like this is the weekly, monthly, 3 months and 6 months and year and all this stuff. So basically this indicator shows me that it's a buy pressure, so we buying, everywhere is buying, and the price action is above. What we did have here is very simple concept, guys. Came here, beautiful rejection, I enter a trade, very simple, and I put my stop loss somewhere around here, something like that, just to have a little breathing room, if just in case the price action comes and fakes me out. So I enter like that, and the how's it called, the TP I was watching here, I never take the highest point of a day high, so I took basically all this price action right here, because here it was kind of multiple touches. Here it was a touch, here it kind of breaks, small retest, then here it touches. So to me this is the zone, not the high of the point. Oh, hold on. Oh yeah, no, I was checking here, but yeah, I took something like that. And yeah, very simple break and retest strategy, guys. I just literally came here, took the retest, and move to the upside. A very simple trade. You can do that on every single time frame. And if you find this one valuable, just leave a thumbs up, leave a comment if you do have any questions, and we will see you guys on my next video. Peace and love. I'm out.